And of course, the materials that you use to build a cell come from what you eat, from what you put in your mouth. And the genetic blueprint, doesn't matter how good that blueprint is for how you build healthy cells, if you don't give your body the right materials to do the job, it just can't do it. The best builder in the world cannot build a safe structure with poor quality materials. So we really want to make sure that we give it everything it needs. So either your body's made of really good foods, or it just tries to do the best that it can with substandard materials. And the best example is the Three Little Pigs, isn't it? If you think about that nursery rhyme as a metaphor for a healthy body, if your body is made of straw or sticks as opposed to bricks, and what we want to do is be really nutrient dense, not just for the structure of the body, but actually for the functionality of the body, for energy, for emotional energy as much as anything else, because even your food and how you feel is to a large extent determined by your diet. So what are you made of? And this is why, and you've heard me say many times already, it's so important to love the foods that love you back. And you've got to look at them and go, yeah, you might look good, but you don't love me. And food can be very abusive. And your relationship with food, like any relationship, can be nurturing or it can be abusive. And that's your choice. You know, as a child, you get what you're given, but as an adult, you've really got to take responsibility.